Today, we're diving into something called digital battery. It's a pretty wild legal idea for our connected age.
So, let's start with the provocative question. Can the television in your living room actually commit a crime against you?
At its core, that's digital battery. It's about using energy, like light or sound, to change how you think or feel.
Now, for anything to be considered legal battery, it needs these three things: intent, contact, and absolutely no consent.
So, how does something like this even work? Let's break down the mechanism.
It all operates on a loop. It senses your biometrics, models you, predicts your state, and then it acts.
And get this, under one technical standard, your body is legally defined as hardware. You're part of the network. All right, let's look at the actual tools used to make this so-called contact.
These are real, patented technologies. They use light and sound to directly influence your nervous system.
And here's the proof in black and white, a U.S. patent for manipulating your nervous system through a monitor.
And it works. A simple 4 Hz screen flicker was shown to increase regretful purchases by 41%.
And a DARPA study, it got a 74% compliance rate using suggestions hidden in ultrasonic sound.
But is any of this actually being used? Okay, let's look at the proof of deployment.
The U.S. Air Force Research Lab put it very bluntly. The line between ads and influence, well, it doesn't exist.
And it's been verified. A Senate intelligence briefing confirmed deployments of systems that meet the legal definition of battery.
Even corporate filings show it. This so-called effective analytics is making them a ton of money.
So that brings us to the billion-dollar question: why? What's the real motive here?
Because in the age of AI, your attention, your nervous system activity, is the new oil. It's the scarcest resource there is.
So the system makes you work. It creates little problems for your brain to solve, then harvests that effort to train AI. And here's the darkest part. The system profits most when you're in a state of distress, like rage or terror.
Which leaves us with one final thought. In this new world, are you the user or have you become the hardware?